Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your browsing history on Amazon. So once you sign into your Amazon account, just simply go ahead and hover over account and list on the upper right hand side and go down to browsing history. Click on that. Now here you'll find your browsing history for items that you're currently viewing or items that you've viewed in the past. But if you want to turn off the browsing history so that it doesn't record anything, I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing, what I will do is basically if I want to clear my current browsing history and don't have anything, let's say, show up in my browsing history, is you can remove the items here. So as you can see, I have one item here. I can simply click and remove this item, or I can click the gear in the upper right hand side and simply click remove items. This is going to allow you to remove all items if you have a lot of different items that you've reviewed in the past. So that's going to clear your history really quick. Now to, let's say, turn off the browsing history, you can do that two ways. You can do it temporarily. So you can do a pause. So you can pause today, as you can see here, and you can even enable back the browsing history. It's going to enable back. So you can pause it and it's going to re-enable it by itself, or you can do it for a couple of days, weeks, 2 weeks. Now, what I'm gonna do, you can also go ahead and turn it off permanently by simply clicking more settings here, and you have the option to basically turn this feature off entirely. And once you do that, you can close out and you can see that it says your browsing history is turned off right here, and you can always go back there to turn it on. So I'm gonna go back to Amazon real quick, guys, and I'm gonna just simply go back to the home page, find some basic product, let's say sunglasses. And as you can see here, I'm looking at these glasses here, I'm looking at these glasses here. Whatever it is come about, I can go ahead and I can view, I can click on the shoes, whatever it is, and none of these products will be recorded. So if I go back again into my browsing history and click, you can see that it's not recording anything, right? I can remove that and I can even go back. I can refresh this page. I can click to a different product. It doesn't matter what I click on. None of these will be, let's say, recorded into my history. So guys, that's how you go ahead and turn it off. And at any point in time you want to turn it on again, you can always go back to the accounts and list, go down to your browsing history, and you can turn it on, or you can click the gear and go back there and turn it on. And as you can see, it's on again, and whatever I will record, whatever I will view as a product, you will see that that product will now be recorded into my browsing history. If I refresh this here, you will see that it starts to record again. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to turn off your browsing history on Amazon.